Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 22 of saving $10 a day in April, trying to get rid of some challenges that I have in my stash. I was wondering what was on the bottom of my binder. That's just stuff I cut up. Future stuff. Okay, so I know I did not get extras. So while I'm sitting here, I'm just gonna pull out a few. I think some of these are already earmarked for bigger challenges. We'll figure it out when we get to it. All right, so hi everybody. Welcome to day 22. I hope you guys are doing well. I brought a $10 bill today, so we shall see how that goes. I'm gonna scoot you up there. All right, so we have our dashboards and all of that from Home Buddy Mama Savings. Oh, it's already open? Oh my goodness. All right, so let's stick our $10 bill in here. I'm just gonna keep doing this. When you have some that have zippers and others don't have zippers, I feel like we're losing prop coins. I should probably give this a count one of these days, but I'm already working with it. And it only ever goes from like here to there, so. All right, so we're gonna do that. Let's go to the Paperclip. Paperclip is on 3. Put that there. All right, so let's use the pink. I don't remember what we used yesterday, so all right, 1 for number 3. Starting off slow. 1 for number 4. Hope you guys are doing well, and I have to come up with, oh good, 5 got 3. I was like, I have to come up with some small talk. 1, we're gonna take it. All the ones are for Kimmy. She is working on a challenge that I have free on my Ko-fi. Every time I roll a 1, you save $1, because I roll a lot of 1s. And it's pretty funny. She's already making crazy amount of progress on that challenge. And you should go to her live tonight at 6:30 Central to see how many she's colored in. And that's Kimmy from Kimmy's Corner. All right, 1 for 6. We still have a bunch in my hand, so let's see what we can do. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. All right, we're 3 for 3. We're lined up. And we got it. Is that in frame? I think it's in frame. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 2 left. And they're both going to go to 4. And then we will start on number 5 tomorrow. All right, so let's get this cleaned up a little bit. All right, so number 1. Number 1 got $1.25. And we have from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, we have $1. Okay, we didn't finish it. Let's see. I'm going to use some of the Pen and Gear Classic Markers Broadline Purple. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is $1 and then 25 cents. So this one only needs 50 more cents. And this one will be done. So maybe tomorrow. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.75. And this one needed $1.50. So we finished it. $1.50, yep. All right, let's use the green of the same Pen and Gear. $1 and then 50. This adorable one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we saved $2 today. And we can put 25 cents into a new one. Let's see, let's just go way to the back. All right, this is another $2 one from Printable by Woods. And we can do 25 cents. All right, that one is started. All right, number 3. Number 3 got $1.25 as well. I feel like that's what we've been getting. And number 3 just needed 50 cents. This really cute one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, that is a Sharpie. I really want to use the same Sharpie, so I will do that and be right back. That's so pretty. So we finished another one for $4. So that was 50 cents. So we have 75 cents we can put into a new one. Extras, I'm just going to the back, taking the next one. All right, this one is from Becca Budget 777. So each little circle is 25 cents and we can fill in 3 of them. So let's do, we're gonna do our pen and gear again. So that's 3 circles. All right, 3 circles it is. So we've got that one started from Becca. All right, number 4. Number 4 got $1.75, and this one is, and we just needed $1.50. This is from 4 Dizzy Birds. So let me get my sparkly marker that I got from Cece at Creationsbymuneca. So this is $1.50. So we will use that one. Again, let me fill these out and I'll be right back. All right, I realized I probably used that other marker, but it's too late. So we filled it in, so I've got that going there. So this part's done. So we have 25 cents. We can put into a new one, and I'm just gonna go straight to the back and take out this one from Sassy Ginger Budgets. All right, I'll use a Crayola Click. I don't know whatever color this is. All right, so 25 cents. Perfect, got that one started. Did I say that was from Sassy Ginger Budgets? I think so. All right, and then number 5, got $1, $2, $2.75 going into number 5. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner, and we only needed $1, so I'm gonna take that away. And I am gonna cross out with my Crayola Clicks. 25, 50, 75, $1. Oh my goodness, we're finishing a bunch, so that's another $4. So I already took the $1 away, so we still have $1.75 to go into a new one. Do I have any extras left? All right, this one will save $4. This is from DIY Budget, or Diva's Budgeting on YouTube. She is awesome. Hope she is doing well. Let's see, let's use orange Crayola Clicks. So I can do $1.75. All right, I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it, so I started it one way and finished it the other. All right, that is that. And then number 6, it looks like it got $1.25. And this one is from Budgeting with Bree, 1487. I don't give a cluck. It makes me laugh every time. All right, so we can do 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one will be here for a little bit. That will save $6. All right. So now we are going to go back up to the front, mix up our little prop coins for a second, and then put this in the envelope for tomorrow. And then we need a bunch. All right, so we have 4 and 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So I'm gonna bring that 10 back out. And then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, so $14. Going to the back. Just putting all my money in here. And then we get to put 4 more challenges in here. I cannot wait to count this. So I have mentioned it in another video, but I don't think I've mentioned it in my daily videos. I am not bringing this back in May. I am trying to cut back a little bit of videos. I have some new product coming out that I'm so excited for, and I think it's going to be, well, I don't know. I was going to say I think it's going to be a hit, so I need to make sure I have time to do it. But I am going to still do some version of minis in 1 or 2 videos. So I'll obviously still have my Monday minis, but I might do something else in another video or 2 just to kind of keep it up, even if it's just 2 times a week. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for day 22. I really appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and a great week ahead. And until next time, take care. Bye.